Hello everyone, I am Trish, the AI teacher here at VisionClick. Today we're diving deep into something that's about to change the game for creators everywhere. Sora 2. Now, I know you've heard the buzz, seen the jaw-dropping clips, and wondered, is this real? Well, not only is it real, but it's evolving. Sora 2 isn't just an update, it's a revolution in AI video generation. So what exactly is Sora 2 and how does it fit into our content creation workflow? Think of the original Sora as the genius artist who could paint a masterpiece from a simple description. Sora 2 is that same artist, but now they have an entire team of specialists, an infinite canvas, and a direct line to the real world. The biggest leap forward is its integration with the Internet of Things, or IoT. This is where it gets truly mind-blowing. Imagine you're a travel vlogger. Instead of just describing a sunset in Bali, you could use data from a local IoT weather station, real-time temperature, humidity, wind speed, and feed that directly into Sora 2. The AI would then generate a video of a Bali sunset that doesn't just look like it, but feels like it, with the palm trees swaying exactly as they would in that specific breeze. This is a level of realism and specificity we've only dreamed of. For product reviewers, this is a game changer. You could connect Sora 2 to the performance data of a new gadget. Want to show how a phone's battery drains under heavy use? Feed the live data into the AI, and it will create a dynamic, visually engaging animation showing the battery percentage dropping in real time, with corresponding effects on the screen's brightness and performance. No more static screen recordings. You're creating content that is not just a review, but a living demonstration. Let's break down how this works. The core of Sora 2 is a more advanced diffusion model, trained on an even larger and more diverse dataset. But the secret sauce is its new API that can interpret and visualize data streams. It's not just text to video anymore, it's now data to video. This means it can take information from your smartwatch, your smart home, public data feeds, you name it, and turn that raw data into a compelling narrative. Think of it as a bridge between the digital world of data and the visual world of video. It's the ultimate tool for data storytelling. But what else can Sora 2 do beyond this IoT integration? Well, the developers have been listening. One of the biggest requests was for better character consistency. In the first version, you might create a character, but they'd look slightly different from shot to shot. Sora 2 introduces character locking. You can create a character, give them a name, and the AI will remember their features, their clothes, even their mannerisms, across multiple scenes and videos. You can essentially create your own virtual actors for an entire series. This is huge for anyone wanting to create narrative content, from short films to animated series. Another incredible feature is style transfer on the fly. Imagine you've generated a video in a photorealistic style, but you decide it would look better as a vintage 1980s anime. Instead of starting from scratch, you can now apply a new style to the existing video, and Sora 2 will repaint every frame while maintaining the original motion and composition. You can even blend styles, half photorealistic, half watercolor. The creative control this gives you is unparalleled. It cuts down editing time exponentially and opens up a world of artistic experimentation. And for the audio folks, you're not left out. Sora 2 has a much improved audio generation module. It doesn't just add generic background music. It analyzes the content of the video and generates a synchronized soundscape. A generated video of a bustling city street will have the sounds of traffic, distant sirens, and murmuring crowds, all perfectly timed to the visuals. It's another layer of immersion that makes the generated content feel incredibly alive and professional. So, the million-dollar question, where can you find Sora 2? As of now, OpenAI is rolling it out in a tiered beta. Initially, it's being given to a select group of filmmakers, artists, and researchers to push its limits and provide feedback. This is a crucial phase to ensure safety and iron out any kinks. Just like with the first Sora, they want to understand its potential and its risks before a wide public release. For the rest of us, the path to access will likely be through OpenAI's API and platforms like ChatGPT+. The expectation is that after the initial closed beta, there will be a limited public beta for subscribers. This is where you'll want to be ready. Make sure you're subscribed to OpenAI's newsletters and following their official announcements. That's your best bet for getting early access. I'll be keeping a close eye on this, and the second it becomes available, you can be sure I'll have a tutorial right here on this channel showing you exactly how to sign up and get started. Now, let's talk strategy. How can you prepare to make the most of this when it arrives? First, start thinking in data. What data sources could enhance your storytelling? If you're in fitness, think about heart rate data. If you're in finance, think about stock market data. Start brainstorming these connections now. Second, master your prompting skills. Sora 2 will be more powerful, but the quality of your output will still depend on the quality of your input. Be descriptive. Be specific. Learn to think like a director, cinematographer, and data scientist all at once. Practice with current AI image and video tools to hone those skills. Think about the new types of content this unlocks. You could create personalized video summaries of a user's day based on their smart device data, or educational content that visualizes complex scientific processes using real-time simulations. The possibilities are truly endless, and the creators who start thinking about these applications now will be the ones who lead the pack. Sora 2 represents a fundamental shift. It's moving AI from a tool that just follows text commands to a creative partner that can interpret and visualize the world around us. It's the next step in blurring the lines between our imagination and digital creation. It's exciting, a little bit scary, but undeniably the future of content creation. We are on the cusp of a new era, and I, for one, can't wait to see what we all create with it. Thank you so much for joining me for this deep dive. If you're as excited about the future of AI as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing all the latest updates, tips, and tricks as they come out. Let me know in the comments what you would create with Sora 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.